Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPUSD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, after the inflation report, we got to see some good moves on the chart of GBPUSD. At first, I thought that there would be a breakout, but ultimately GBPUSD failed to go higher and it was a failed breakout, and still we can see that GBPUSD is trading below the trend line only. GBPUSD is still struggling to go higher. Okay, so as a result, things are still not very clear to us. In our yesterday's video, we talked about this particular zone as our no trading zone here, and we can see that GBPUSD is still trading inside the no trading zone only. And if you look at the chart of DXY, and DXY is also kind of same. We talked about the falling wedge pattern on DXY and the possibility of a breakout on DXY. Yesterday we saw a big move on DXY, but as expected, as we also discussed, that without any fundamental factor, without any proper news, the breakout may not sustain, and that's what we got to see. The breakout failed, the breakout could not sustain, and right now DXY is also silent right now. This is the 4-hour chart, and you can see that market is sleeping for almost 16 hours. So let's wait and watch how DXY reacts. Today we have some news, that is jobless claims data, so there may be some volatility on the US dollar pair, so be careful during the news, after the news, because if DXY shows some crazy stuff, you need to close down all your positions. And after news, if DXY starts falling also, then the previous low of 100.80 will still be there for some rescue, and we also have 100.50 as the support. So overall we can expect that DXY will not be going for a new low today if market starts falling also. And overall the chart is in downtrend, so if DXY tries to recover also, the road will not be smooth. There will be multiple resistances. Right now DXY is standing at 101.82. okay, this is the current market price here. If it tries to go higher also, there will be resistances on 102.50, 103, 104. So there are layers of resistances for DXY. So without any strong fundamental factor, the recovery will be very difficult for DXY. Now GBPUSD. So GBPUSD, as we can see, it is struggling here. So there is a possibility that at one point the buyers in the market may surrender out of tiredness, and market will come down. If that happens, then market will come to the previous support of 1.2350 again. But this time you need to be careful, because the buyers on the market will be tired, and as a result there is a possibility that market may break 1.2350 and may go down like this. So volatility of the market will play a big role. So if you see the market is coming, market is falling, then observe the volatility of the market, because still we cannot deny the fact that overall GBPUSD is still in uptrend. So as a result, my dear friends, if you see that market is coming down, okay, observe the size of the candles. If you see the size of the candles are not very big, okay, it means that more or less the volatility is normal. You can expect the market to take support around 1.2350. But if you see that GBPUSD is falling with big candles like this, big red candles, then obviously the volatility of the market is high. It means that sellers are very aggressive, and you can go for a sell position below 1.2350. Volatility will decide whether a market will respect the support or whether a market will break the support. So as a trader, you need to be very careful and you need to observe. Okay, so volatility of the market will play a big role. Instead of 4 hours time frame, you can simply switch to the 1 hour time frame, okay, because 4 hours time frame is kind of slow. So 1.2350 will be very critical, and the next target is 1.2270. If market breaks this level, this will be the next target for GBP USD. And if GBP USD shows some upside during the day, if GBP USD shows some upside and tries to recover also, I think that it will be very difficult for us to judge whether we should go for a buy or not. Because yesterday when the breakout failed, yesterday when we saw that twice market tried to go higher and ultimately came down, so it became a risky zone. Personally, I will not be going for any buy positions because I love my hard-earned money. But if you really want to go for a buy position, then I'll say you can go for a buy position above the trend line, okay, above the level of 1.2470, 1.2470. But I'll request that you should follow proper risk management, because if GBP USD fails just like yesterday, then there's a high chance that market will show a big fall, because repeatedly market is failing. So as a result, at one point buyers may surrender and we may get to see a big drop. So if you take a buy position above 1.2470, thinking that GBP USD will be going higher, then you need to be careful. I'm not saying that GBP USD will not be going up. I'm not saying that at all. I'm simply saying that I will not be taking a buy position, because I'll be looking for a position on other charts that I understand better. See, my dear friends, we need to understand one thing very well, that as a retail trader, we have some limitations. We cannot understand the market at each and every level. So it is better and safer to trade only on those levels that we understand. It is not possible for us to predict the market on each and every level. So it's better to trade on levels, okay, that we understand. So this is what I personally follow. So as a result, okay, I will not be going for any buy position, okay, if market breaks also. But if you only trade on GBP USD and desperately looking for any position right now, then yes, you can consider 1.2470 as a buy limit. But be careful, follow strict risk management. And if the upset continues, and yes, there is a chance also, if the upset continues, then the next resistance will be 1.2550. This is the ultimate level for GBP USD as of now. And if this is the volatility the market, then this is the weekly level for GBP USD as of now. So overall, there is not much movement right now. You can see that market is not giving us any clear signs. So be careful, follow proper risk management. This is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. No trader is 100% accurate. So be careful, follow proper risk management, not gamble with your hard-earned money. Bye bye, take care, see ya tomorrow.